In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send high-quality video in Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Telegram app. Then just tap right here to go to chats, and after that get into some conversation. I'm just gonna open up saved messages. After that, first off, we need to tap at this paperclip. Then we need to choose our video we would like to send. I'm gonna choose that one. You can, by the way, select several videos at once. And now, before hitting right here at send, we need to tap right there at these three dots and then select send as file. That will send the video as a file without compressing it, so our recipient will get the original video file without losing any quality. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.